the Nest. My name's Nysa and I'm excited to work with you today. I am participating in Paper Terrace's Dollar Tree Junk Journal, and I have had so much fun with this. This really turned into a cherry cola blast for me. So I'm going to take the label off of this and we're going to create a quick pocket page with this. Just awesome. So I'm going to use this adhesive down the side, across the bottom, then readjust. So I'm able to slide something through right here. Yep. Pocket page. And after I drink some more Coke, I plan to add a second one on this side. So the journal itself came with lined paper that had the cherry cola diet cherry cola imaging. I love that. It gives me a place to journal. I added a small photo mat, and on the back I added my cherry pattern paper and created a place for a photo mat and some fun tags. And again, here's that example of how I use the cherry post-it notes. I did envelope pull-outs. So places for hidden journaling. More pockets, more envelopes. I didn't want to make this too thick because once I add my photos, it'll puff up a bit. I loved this. These were fun to make. And again, another pocket at the back, just made out of the packaging. So I've got my journal pretty much done, but it needs to be blinged out. So I connected it to itself and then to the silver ring. And that is my Dollar Tree junk journal.